Answers are given. Answers first, third. If in your book the answer is given -6, if in your book this answer is given -6, so correct it to 9 upon 16. 9 upon 16 is the correct answer. First, third. First, third, check it. It will be 9 upon 16. Answer is 9 upon 16. Check it once. If in your book, if it is given -6, correct it to 9 upon 16. Okay, this correction you have to make. Okay.
Which one?
Page number N20. Page number N20. That is exercise first B. First B exercise.
N19.
N20. Okay, in your book it may be N19. In my book it's N20. Okay. Answers are given. Answers are given here.
Yes,
Check
sir.
third answer. First third answer. It will be 9 upon 16. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more correction is there. Exercise first C. Exercise first C answers second. Exercise first C. Second. That is division exercise. First C. Second it is minus 1
1
upon
by
8 is
12.
given. You have to correct it to
1 by 12.
minus 1 by 12. Minus 1 by 12. You have to correct it. Okay. Everyone make these two corrections.
कहाँ चीटिंग कर रहा हूँ खुद के निकाले मैं पहले निकाली सर सी एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं मैंने कंप्लीट ही कर ली
Yes, please be quiet. Okay, so this is clear. These are the corrections. Okay, we are doing first B exercise. A little portion was left. We'll discuss that, and we'll start division then. Okay, so up to 7th we will discuss reciprocal. 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So what will be 7 upon 8 raised to power -1? It means reciprocal. Inverse you have to take. So what will be the answer? Ayush, what will be the answer of this one? 7 upon 8 raised to power -1. What will be the answer? Rishabh, 7 upon 8 raised to power -1. What will be the answer? So we are taking the reciprocal. It will be 8 upon 7. It will be 8 upon 7. Okay. Reciprocal of -1 is? Reciprocal of -1 is? Abhinav?
1 upon sir reciprocal of it
-1.
1 sir
Okay,
One.
here you have to write not equal to, it is reciprocal. The reciprocal of this one equal to 8 upon 7. Reciprocal of -1, it will be?
sir -1 only sir because 1
-1.
upon
1 upon -1 is same as -1. It is -1 only. Okay, good. -2 is the reciprocal of? -2 is the reciprocal of?
1 upon -2
1 upon -2 we can write, or -1 upon 2 we can write.
1 upon 2
Yes, we can write anything. Both are same numbers. We can write. Okay. The product of a non-zero rational number and its reciprocal is? Take any non-zero number 5 by 2. Its reciprocal 2 by 5. It is always 1. It is always 1. This is multiplicative identities. Reciprocal of a positive rational number is? Positive rational number.
positive
And reciprocal of negative rational number? Negative rational number. Okay. Dash is the only rational number whose reciprocal is not defined.
0
0. It's not defined. Okay. Now identify the false statement. That you can do it yourself. Okay. We have discussed them all. If you face any doubt in 8th question, you can ask on Monday. Okay. So it will be homework. Do it, try to understand them, and if you have doubt, you can ask. So 7th and 8th question you have to do in both. Okay. Okay, now we can start with division. So till now we have discussed addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Now division we will be discussing. Okay. Division of a rational number by another rational number. So here some condition is there. For example, a by b is a rational number. Okay, a by b
Yes.
is a rational number, and we have to divide it by c by d. Okay, then the result is also a rational number. So a
Sir,
rational number.
sir, cross multiplication.
1 minute, 1 minute. We'll do that one, but just for a minute. Okay, a by b is a rational number. Okay, and we are dividing it by a another rational number or a irrational number. Okay, the answer will be a rational number, but there is one more condition here. That condition is this c by d. It must be a non-zero rational number. It must be a non-zero rational number. That it means c by d not equal to 0 must be there. This condition must be satisfied. Okay, we take one example. A by b can be 0. It doesn't matter. Okay, we'll be taking those examples now. Okay, so for example, a by b we are taking 2 by 5. Okay, c by d it should not be 0. It means c by d what we can take 3 upon 4, any number you can take. Okay, c by d we are taking 3 by 4. So 2 by 5 we are dividing it by 3 by 4. Okay, now how to divide 2 by 5? If we are multiplying, we have to take reciprocal. Reciprocal of 3 by 4. So next step will be 2 by 5 into
4 by 3.
4 by 3. What we are getting? 8 upon
8
15.
upon 15.
So is it a rational number? Yes, it is a rational
Yes,
number.
sir.
It can be expressed in the form of a by b, and 8 and 15 are co-primes. Okay. Now we check next one. Okay. For example, a by b we are taking as 0 because it has to be only rational. It can be 0, a by b. Divided by c by d, it's a non-zero rational number. It must be non-zero rational. So we can take 2 by 5. Okay. So what will be the answer? 0 divided by any non-zero rational number. We'll get always
0.
0. Okay. This is clear? Okay. Now we take, for example, a by b we take 3 by 2. Okay. C by d we are taking 0. Okay. This time this condition is not satisfied. C by d we are taking 0. 3 by 2 divided by 0. Can we divide?
No, sir.
We cannot define.
No,
It is undefined. So what is the condition in division? The divisor must be non-zero rational number. Divisor must be non-zero rational number. Okay. This is clear. So a by b divided by c by d. A by b is a rational number, but c by d it has to be a non-zero rational number. Okay. C by d must be a non-zero rational number. Then only the result is rational number. And which property is this one? It's a closure property. If we are dividing a rational number by a non-zero rational number, then the result is always a rational number. That is called as closure property. That is, division is closed. Okay. This is clear. And how we are going to divide? For example, 3 by 6 divided by 3 by 2. We have to divide. So what we will do? 3 by 6 into its reciprocal we will take. Its reciprocal will be 2 by 3. by 3. Okay.
6
Now we
upon
can
18.
simply
6 18.
3. We can cancel them. 1, 3. 1
1
by
upon
3. 1 upon 3. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we can start the exercise. Do the first question.
Yes,
Do the first
sir.
question. Then we will discuss commutative property after some time. Commutative property and associative property we have to discuss. We'll discuss that. Okay. So first one, do everyone do first one. 1 by
2 upon
2.
sir,
1
answer.
by 2. Okay, that's fine. Divide them. How to do? 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal of this one. 4 upon 3. 2 gets cancelled. 2 by 3. Okay. Okay, do sixth one. Everyone do sixth one. Do sixth one. Everyone do sixth one. 98. Divided by minus 45 upon 42. Everyone do sixth one. Minus 75 upon 98 divided by minus 45 upon 42. Okay. So minus 75 upon 98 into, take the reciprocal this one. What will be the reciprocal?
42 by minus 45.
Okay. See here, there is one more thing we can do. Minus 75 upon 98. Minus sign we can keep in numerator. No issues with that. Minus 42 upon 45. We can keep, either we can cancel it here, negative sign, or we can keep the negative sign in numerator. No issues. Okay. Both ways are right. Okay. Now cancel them. Minus sign, plus. What more we can cancel? This and this. It is divisible by 15. 15. How much it will be?
315 upon 637.
Okay. And it is 5. And can we cancel this one? It's divisible by 7. 14. It is divisible by, okay, with 2 with, okay, with 2 with 21. And 2 it will be
49.
49. Again 7, 3, 7, 3, 3. So what we are getting?
5 by 7.
5 by 7.
5 by
Understood everyone?
yes, sir. Next side it is minus a. No, sir, correct only, correct only.
It is correct only. Okay. Now do 12th one. Do 12th one. Minus 25 divided by 5 upon minus 7. So minus 25 into, take the reciprocal, minus 7 upon 5. So cancel them. Minus sign, minus plus 5. 5. How much? 35. Okay. So first question you can solve yourself. If you face doubt, you can ask on Monday. First question is clear. Okay. Second
Yes,
also.
sir.
Second first. Start second first. It's mixed fraction. So convert it into improper fraction. Okay. Start doing everyone. 1 by 7. 1 by 7 divided by 5 1 by 3. 5 1 by 3. Okay, this is the question given. It's mixed fraction. So 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 8 by 7 divided by
3 upon 3.
16 upon 3. Okay. Now take the reciprocal of this one. 8 upon 7 into
3 upon 16.
16. We can cancel. 8 1 ja 8. 2. 3 upon
14.
14. Okay, second one you do. You have 1 minute to do. Second one. Everyone do in your notebook. 4 1 by 6 divided by minus 50. Everyone do in your notebook. Second one. Second one do in your notebook. So it will be written 4 1 by 6 divided by minus 50. So 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 by 6 into
Sir, minus 1 upon 50.
Minus 1
50. You can
Sir,
write 1
25.
upon minus 50 or this one. We can cancel them.
Yes, sir.
2 ja. So how much we are getting?
minus
Minus 1 upon
12.
12. Okay. Anyone in class who haven't understood? Okay. Next one, Lucky will tell. Okay. Yes, Lucky. Minus 36 divided by 3. 3 upon 5. So first what you have to do?
Sir, change the mixed fraction.
Okay. So what will be the answer?
18 by 5.
18 by 5. Good. Next, multiply will change. So reciprocal we have to take. What will be the reciprocal?
18.
5 by 18. Can we cancel them?
Yes, sir. 18 by 36, 2.
It will be 2. So minus
10.
2 we can write. It will be how much?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Okay, negative sign always take care of. Thank you. Okay, next one. Abhinav, you already told much. Anisha, you tell. Fourth one.
Question.
Question fourth one. 9 4 by 5. 9 4 by 5 divided by 16 1 upon 3.
So,
This
41 upon 5.
So it will be what? 9 5 sir?
9 5 is 45.
So it will be how much?
49 upon 5.
Okay. Divided by 6 is 3 16 sir?
8,
Mhm.
49 upon 3.
Okay. Okay. Next step will be
Into 3 upon 49.
3 upon 49. They get cancelled. We are getting 3 upon 5. Good. Okay. Okay. So this is clear. Division is clear to everyone. First and second questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will be discussing commutative property. Okay. Commutative property over division. Okay. Commutative property, addition follows or not? Addition, commutative property
Yes,
holds
sir.
true?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Follow.
Okay.
Sir, follow.
Commutative property we are discussing. Addition follows. Subtraction
Sir, not follow.
Not follow.
follows. Multiplication
Follows.
follows.
Follow.
And division
Not follow.
not
No.
follows. We can check
Not
as
follow.
well. It means A by B divided by C by D. And if we do C by D divided by A by B, are they equal? No.
No.
That means commutative property does not hold. Okay, we take one example. 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. Okay. We have to verify that this is not equal to 5 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, we have to verify. We have to verify. So we'll follow the same method. LHS will be what? 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. Okay, next step will be what? 2 by 3 into
2 by 5.
2 by 5. How much we are getting?
4 by 15.
4 by 15. This is our first answer. Okay. No space there. I'm taking here RHS. 5 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Next step, we have to take the reciprocal. 3 by 2. How much we are
15
getting?
upon 15 upon 4.
15 upon 4. This is second. Is answer first equal to answer second?
No, sir.
No. So answer 1, since answer 1 not
No,
equal
not
to answer second. That means LHS
Not
not
It is
equal
not
to
equal to RHS.
RHS. Therefore, this not equal to. That means commutative property does not hold true on division. Over division, they don't hold true. Okay? This is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now associative property as well we discuss. Okay? So if I put here associative property on addition, does it hold true?
Yes,
Associative.
sir.
True. Subtraction.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Subtraction, it's no. Multiplication.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Division.
No.
No, sir.
No.
No. Okay. So take one example. 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 4.
4.
Okay. This association we are forming. Okay. Equal to, not equal to. This we have to prove. 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 4. Okay. This we have to prove. Okay. This we have to prove. So
Yes,
we'll
sir.
take LHS first.
LHS.
So LHS will be what? 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3
2 by
divided by
3.
3 by 4. So board mass we all remember. So first we'll be solving the association. That is bracket will be solving.
Bracket.
So 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3 into
Into 4 by 3.
4 upon 3. Good. 1 by 2 divided by, what will be the answer?
8
8 by 9.
8 by 9. Okay. Now again take the reciprocal into
9 upon
9 by
9 upon 8.
9 upon 8. How much we are getting?
9 upon 16.
16.
16. This is our first answer. Now take right hand side. 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Okay. Divided by 3 by
3 by
4.
4.
Sir, 1
So
upon
first
2
we solve
is 3 upon 2.
Into
3 upon 2.
3 upon
3 upon 2.
So what we will getting?
3 by 4.
3 upon 4.
Divided by 3
3 by
by 4.
4.
Next
3
one.
upon 4 into 4 upon 3.
0.
3.
Therefore,
Huh?
Sir,
How
1.
0?
1. Sir, 1.
If you are telling 0, that's blunder. It's 1. Okay, this is first answer, this is second answer. Are they equal?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
They are not equal.
No, sir.
It means answer 1 not equal to answer 2. LHS not equal to RHS. This not
Hence
equal
proved.
to this, hence proved. What you have proved, hence proved. That
Not
associative
equal.
property does not hold true
Not
for
true.
division.
It is held on division.
Associative property does not hold true for division.
Division.
Okay. Okay. Now start third question. Verify whether the following statements are true or false. First one.
Sir, we have to solve it.
Without solving as well, you can tell. Closure property. A rational number divided by a non-zero rational number is always a
Rational number.
Number.
Rational
Rational
number.
A rational number divided by a non-zero. Always remember non-zero. Divided by divisor must be non-zero. Okay. As well you can solve that one. So solve that one. 2 by 3 divided by minus 1 by 5.
5.
Okay. So 2 by 3 into minus 5 upon 1, or we can write
1.
minus 5. So minus 10
Minus
upon
10 upon. three.
it is a rational number or not? A by B,
Yes.
10 minus
Yes, sir.
10, 3 both are
Yes, sir.
integers and 3 not equal to 0, therefore it's a rational number. So it's true.
True.
Okay, second one, by seeing only you can tell
True.
it's a rational number. It's a
True.
rational number because minus 5 is a rational number and minus 5 upon 7 it's a non-zero rational number. Okay, you can solve as well. third one you do. Third one is commutative property. Everyone solve in your notebook. We have to prove, we have to see whether they are equal or not. So it's a commutative property. So it is going to be true or false?
False.
False. Okay, prove it. Take left hand side. So we have to, okay, whether it's true or false. So question is 7 upon 10.
Into 2/3.
1 minute.
Divided by 3 upon 2
1 minute. 3 by 2 equal to
is 3 upon
3
2
by-
divided by.
7 upon 10. So
7
we have to check whether it's true or false. Okay, whether it's true or false. To take
Sir,
left
sir.
hand side.
upon
Yeah.
10 into 2/3.
7 upon 10 into 2 upon 3. Okay, just wait for me. Okay, just wait for me. Let me explain this one. Okay, so mute yourself for time being. Everyone mute yourself. Let me explain this one. Okay, so
14
left hand
30.
side. Abhinav, please mute yourself for time being. Let me explain this one. Okay, I will ask you afterwards. Okay, left hand side. First, we will be solving left hand side. Okay, so left hand side we have solved, and we will be checking whether it's true or false. Whether it's true or false. Whether this equality holds true or not. So left hand side we have taken. Now divided by this one, we have to take reciprocal. 2 by 3. Can we cancel? Yes. 5. 7 upon 15. So left hand side we have got 7 upon 15. This is our first result. Okay. Now take right hand side. 3 upon 2 divided by 7 upon 10. Take the reciprocal of multiplication we are taking. So 10 upon 7. 2, 5. It is how much we are getting? 15 upon 7. This is our second answer. Okay. Now Abhinav tell whether first and second answer are same.
No, sir.
No. So Devraj, are they is true or false?
Sir, false.
False. Answer 1 not equal to answer 2. Therefore, left hand side not equal to right hand side, and 7 divided by 10
is not
divided
equal
by
to
3 by 2 equal to, it will
is
be
not
not
equal
equal.
to 3
Divided by
upon 2 divided by 7 upon 10.
Okay. So the given statement is false. The given equation is false. So this is false. Understood this one? Okay. Fourth one. Dishita. Dishita, you tell fourth one will be right or wrong. It will be false or true.
Sir, it is true.
It's true. It's commutative property. Its commutative property does not hold over division. Okay. So it's true. Okay. Fifth one. Everyone solve fifth one. Everyone solve fifth one.
False.
It's false. It's associative property. Solve this one. This fifth one will solve and we will end the class. Okay. Sixth one you do as homework. Fifth one we will be solving. Okay. Associative property. We will be solving and then we will end the class. Okay. We'll do it very fast. Okay. 1 by 7 divided by minus 3 upon 5. Minus 3 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 equal to 1 upon 7 divided by minus 3 upon 5, the whole divided by 1 upon 3. So take left hand side, 1 upon 7 divided by minus 3 upon 5 divided by 1 by 3. So first we'll be solving the bracket. 1 upon 7 divided by minus 3 by 5 into
3 upon 1.
3 upon 1 or 3 we can write. 1 by 7 divided by minus 9 upon 5. 1 by 7 into 5 minus 5 upon 9.
So minus 5 upon 63.
Okay.
Minus 5
Minus 5 upon 63. This is our first answer. Take right hand side. Everyone have understood? Anyone in class who haven't understood?
3 upon 5 divided by 1 upon
1 upon 7 into minus 5 upon 3
3.
divided by 1 upon 3 minus
Sir,
5
minus
upon
5 upon
21 divided by 1 by 3 minus 5.21 into 3.
3 upon 1.
Okay, 3 upon 1, we can write 3. No issues. 3, 7. Minus 5
minus-
upon
7.
minus 5 upon 7 are they same? No, they are not same. It means it's wrong. It's false. Associative property does not hold. Okay, sixth one, do as homework. Okay. Rest will complete tomorrow. Okay, listen here. Don't leave the class. Okay. First day exercise. Okay, first day exercise. Okay, first day exercise. Everyone will submit today after 3 p.m. Okay, today you submit. Okay, up to 4 p.m. Okay, up to 4 p.m. submit first day exercise. Okay,
Sir, in PDF or picture only?
in picture or PDF, that's up to you. Okay, no issues with that. Okay, first exercise submit today by 4 p.m. and
Oh.
first B submit tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
first B submit tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow morning you can submit first B. Okay, before 12 noon. Okay, this is fine.
Yes, sir.
Today before
Yes, sir.
4 p.m. submit first A. Tomorrow before 12 noon submit first B. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Those students who are not having the book, either get it from your friends. Like you can get it from seniors, you can get it the pics from your friends, or at last you can text me on WhatsApp. Okay. I get free around 3 p.m. I get free. I can send you the pics then. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.